Hi, welcome to INEO's construction job site. Today, we'll take you on a journey to experience our installation process and introduce our workflow. We are currently located in Tanzania and we are installing for Emerald's Group. This project includes 5 kitchens and 2 bar setups, along with a laundry room as well. Without further ado, let's get started on our 4 days schedule. First, at the beginning of the day, we must ensure all of our staffs are equipped with our safety gears along with our working uniform. We need to make sure that's safety first. Next, we will start off our day with a work meeting. In this work meeting, work tasks are being arranged for every staff, making sure that everyone knows their role of the day. To ensure a safe working environment, we will double check everyone's clothing and gears, point out safety precautions for the day. After the meeting, we'll get to work immediately. Our main job of the day is installing our fire suppression system. We also have other staff setting up kitchen equipments and installing water faucets. After a full day's work, we will end our day with a wrap-up meeting. During this meeting, we will check everyone's process and discuss potential problems that we might be facing. Then, we will set our work plans for the next day. Finally, we will put back all the tools, clean up our construction site before we leave. We will make a summary report for the day and we will send it to our clients. Thank you for joining us on today's journey. We hope you like the way we work. If you would like to learn more about our installation services, please let us know and DM us for more information. Thank you so much for watching.